the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to do and explain how he uses his apparatus. You may use a diagram if you wish.
So here we have the options to draw diagrams. Huh? You can draw the diagram.
Sir, diagram na dile hoy na?
Hmm.
If you wish.
If you wish.
But I don't wish.
You can draw the diagram if you wish. Look here. We have the question with 2 marks. So for 2 marks, what you have to do? That is the main point. If you don't draw the diagram, you can also get 2 marks. They are saying you may use. In some of the place, they will say you draw a diagram. That time you have to draw. And here they said you may use. That means you can draw, or without drawing you can write. Writing only, okay. Even if you are not writing anything from the diagram also, you can get 2 marks. If you draw properly and you can label properly, from the diagram only you can get also 2 marks. So what things you should bring in your diagram, that one is our matter of discussion here. So he finds the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to do this and explain how he uses his apparatus. So you have any idea how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how to do it?
Dip the thermometer in melting ice.
Yes. So you write here. Are you in laptop?
No, sir, I'm on phone.
Phone. So whatever you are saying, I'm writing. Say again.
Dip the end of the thermometer in melting ice.
Okay. Dip the ending of the thermometer, or you say bulb of the thermometer.
Yes, bulb also.
That is more better, right?
Immense
Bulb
bulb.
of the
Yes, sir.
thermometer.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
deep এর জায়গায় immense দেওয়া যায় না?
Okay, very good. What is the word?
Immense.
Immense.
I-double-M-E-N-S.
Emerge.
Immense.
What is it? I double M, then E, then
NSE.
immense.
Yes.
Is it the similar word of deep? Is
Yes, sir.
immense or emerge?
Immense.
Immense. Sure.
Yes.
Immense is the appropriate word.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Immense or sink, right?
Yes.
Sink. Sinking actually we can use for mainly liquid, but as it is melting ice, that is also like liquid things, right? Almost liquid. Sink the bulb of the thermometer into the melting ice, right?
Yes.
Sir, in a supply of ice দেওয়া যায় না?
into the
Yes, sir.
melting ice. Actually, they are saying us very specific melting ice, specific temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius, and it is standard for melting ice that the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. If you are taking only ice, ice can be less than 0 degrees Celsius, right? Isn't it? Hello?
जी sir.
Ice can be less than 0 degrees Celsius, but if it is melting ice, then it is specifically 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, then here we are getting 2 marks. Are you getting here 2 marks?
Sir,
Or
1 mark na?
sorry,
1 mark. 1 mark na?
you are getting here 1 mark. So another mark from where it will come?
Uh, Measure the length when the level of the mercury is constant.
They are saying state the apparatus it needs to do this. Huh? So you are, you
Sir,
are,
supply of ice like the
yeah, supply of ice you can write. That means you are supplying the ice, right? That means, or you are collecting ice, isn't it?
na, so supply of ice is the apparatus.
Yeah, you are collecting ice, or collection of ice, or supply of ice. This way you can write. Okay. So here is another point. We can write it earlier. Hmm. Collection of ice, collection or supply.
So can we write block of ice?
Yes, right, no problem. We write here block of ice, no problem. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So that is our apparatus or the things required here, and how he is using this way, right? We should keep the thermometer bulb in the melting ice. Thermometer, here you write thermometer spelling correctly. Okay, then next. What is next? B, part B. Can you please read? Hmm? Abir, can you read please? Part B.
He finds the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, state the apparatus he needs to do, and explain how he uses his apparatus. You may use the diagram if you wish.
Okay, so to get 100 degrees Celsius, what he has to do?
And dip the bulb of the thermometer into boiling water.
Boiling water. So how he will do this? He will hold the thermometer.
Sir, test tube or beaker.
Mm-hmm. Again, say what you are saying. So we are disconnected for a while, right? So can you
Yes, sir.
please write here the first point you said? Yeah, Abir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tamjid.
Ji sir.
Yeah, you can write here the first point he said.
Uh, okay.
Yes, yes, please write. Abir, you say again, he is writing.
Dip the bulb of the thermometer into boiling water.
Mhm. Very good. So boiling water, where he will get the boiling water?
Uh,
Any container, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, he is boiling the water and keeping
Yeah.
somewhere, right? Any container.
Yes.
It can be one beaker, it can be one
Still.
any kinds of container which one you can keep the hot water, and better
Hmm.
to it's non-metal. If it is
Yes.
metal, then there will be heat loss quickly, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
better to keep in like beaker, test tube, or any plastic container, right? Where
Yes.
it will be no heat loss, or there will be less heat loss, right? Yes, yes. Beaker for holding water. Very good. Then next one, last one. Suggest how he then uses this thermometer to find the room temperature.
He must calibrate it.
What is calibration?
Uh, so the dividing in equal parts in equal markings between the two fixed points.
Okay, he got 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius, right? From those two readings or two activities. First one he got ice point, right? Yeah, ice point means 0 degrees Celsius, and that is another point that is called steam point, right? Isn't it? Hello,
Ji sir.
are you listening?
Ji sir. Ji sir.
Yeah, so those 2 points he can mark with marker, right? On the thermometer he can mark with marker, permanent marker. Then he can take the length of the thermometer, right? Isn't it? Like if it is 10 centimeter long, then 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 centimeter. Then each of the centimeter is giving you 10 degrees Celsius, isn't it? Hello.
Ji sir.
Then each of the millimeter is giving you 1 degree Celsius. If you are marking this way, all the things, all the readings, then it's giving you the calibration, isn't it? Abir,
Sir, I did not understand. Can you repeat?
yeah, I'm repeating. Like, just give me a minute. I'm writing message to my another class to wait them for 5 minutes. Huh? I'm explaining, no problem. Okay. What I said, like your thermometer, you said already you got 2 points, right? One
Yes,
is
sir.
ice point, another one is steam point, right? Like this one is your
Yes.
thermometer. Here you are getting the thermometer,
Mm,
and it is unmarked, right?
mm.
Completely unmarked.
Yes, sir.
Unmarked means
Yes.
it is
Uncalibrated.
mm, uh, only you have now the steam point here and the ice point here. Okay, marked. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, the whole length is how much? 10 centimeter.
Mm,
With your ruler, you measured is, for example, it is 10 centimeter. It can be 8 centimeter. It can be 5 centimeter. For
mm,
our understanding, we are saying that it is 10 centimeter. Okay. So if you
mm.
are thinking that one, the 10 centimeter will be equal to 100 degrees Celsius, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if it is 100 degrees Celsius, 10 centimeter equals 100 degrees Celsius, then we can say 1 centimeter is 10 degrees Celsius, right?
10 centimeters.
Yeah,
Yes.
1 centimeter is uh, 10 degree Celsius. So in your this length, you can divide the whole part into 10 equal parts, right? Then
Yes,
each
sir.
each of the scale is giving you, or each of the line is giving you 10 degrees Celsius. Like
Mm,
you will get 0 degree, 10 degree, then 20, 30, 50. This way till 100. Okay.
mm. Yes.
Then what can you do? You can make it more specific. Like
Mm.
1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you divide this 1 centimeter into 10 equal parts, that is space, then each of the millimeter is giving you 1 degree Celsius, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this way you can even measure each of the degree Celsius temperature using this thermometer. So this process, the
Mm.
whole process we are saying, this is called calibrating the thermometer. Is it clear?
Yes. But, sir, they asked how to find room temperature.
Okay, fine, very good. You have to first calibrate the thermometer. Now your
Yes.
thermometer is ready to find any temperature, right? So what you will
Yes.
do, you will just keep the thermometer anywhere of your room. Then you will see
Mm.
the reading in the thermometer that is giving you the room temperature.
Mm.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right, whatever we discussed, uh, the conclusion is, first one is number one, calibrate the thermometer, right?
Yes.
This is first one. Then second one is keep the thermometer anywhere in the room, anywhere in the room, and the temperature reading shown, the temperature reading shown is the room temperature. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So our two experiments are done today. Another experiment will be your homework. This one, the first one. And that one actually we need, I'm showing you why you need the printout. It's actually
Hmm.
without the printout it's not possible. On the computer you cannot measure it. Look here, we have to measure the object distance and image distance with ruler. From here it's given full
Yes.
scale, so without measuring it with your ruler you cannot write these values. If you can write these values then you calculate it. Okay, so do it, huh,
Yes.
Abir? This one, question
Yes,
number
sir.
one is your homework, and question number two
Hmm.
we will do in our next class. Okay, the graph one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, huh?
Allah Hafiz, sir.